Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of December. And first of all, national news. Adani Green Energy announced $1.36 billion funding on Day Group stocks surged 20%. Notices issued to gaming firms over 1.12 lakh crore GST evasion center. 21,791 fake GST registrations detected, Nirmala Sitharaman said. Crimes against foreigners in Delhi rose 48% in 2022, Central report. Officials said the number of women in police forces has gone up between 2013 and 2022. BSE listed firms market valuation touched record high of rupees 346.47 lakh crore. WFI election date to be announced after December 8. Banks write-off rupees 10.5 lakh crore in 5 years, NPA recovery rupees 7.1 lakh crore. Need development, but safety first, Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Dhami after tunnel mishap. Now some international news. US aid chief announced new help for war-torn Gaza on visit to Egypt. UK's Sellafield nuclear plant allegedly hacked by China and Russia. October 7, Hamas attack planned for years, Israel. Vladimir Putin to visit Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates tomorrow, Kremlin. Climate change to wipe out glaciers on Mount Kilimanjaro by 2040, global body. Siberia freeze in temperatures below minus 58 degrees Celsius. Now some sports news. Sprinter Lalit Kumar, who ran solo in Delhi Athletics, met fails top test. Pat Cummins received the Cricket World Cup trophy from PM Narendra Modi. Jude Bellingham became first Real Madrid player to win Golden Boy Award. Miami, China to host sprint races in 2024 F1 season. And now news related to business. Adani Green Energy announced $1.36 billion funding on Day Group stock surged 20%. Stock markets hit new record highs, Sensex breach 69,000, Nifty ICE 21,000. 71 notices sent to online gaming firms for GST of rupees 1.12 lakh crore. Banks submitted a proposal to declare all Saturdays as banking holiday, Financial Minister told to Parliament. And that's all in news. Thank you.